Hello guys, today we will take you to show a new product. It's a battery charger for lead acid battery and lithium battery. This is a packing box. The package you got will be like this. It is a really strong packing for any time, for any kind of transport. We deliver by air. No matter where you are, you can get this. At 7 days, it's a packing box. Let's open this. And we'll see this is the body plug and the user manual. This is the user manual. This is the connect socket. This is the fuse. The fuse is for replace when the charger is overload. This is a package protecting plastic. Now when you see this charger, you see this is the here is the output lines. This is for the general use. No matter which kind of your scooter is, can use this kind of charger to charge it. Because this is for general use. No matter it's cross or meters, we can use this 3 foot. This is a strong cable lines with high quality. The line will be not coming white no matter how many times you screw this. This is quality, high quality. The line is about 1.5 meters. Also, we can design this output lines to 2 meter lines, 3 meter lines, or any meter. But it all depends on your car, your scooter, range to your power sockets. You can make it longer to let you charging this your scooter outside very easily and comfortable. This is the input sockets from here and here. This is for connect the charger. Here is connect charger for this. This kind of plugs is EU standard, but we can also make it as a UK standard, Japanese standard, and American standard, and China standard. No matter which kind your circuit is, we can make it. Also, this side we can also make use any kind of the charging plug you want. 2 lines. One red, one black, and for lithium battery, any kind of this. This kind of circuits we can also make it at 2 meter lines. For the standard, it's 1.5 meter long. See the line is very strong than any other you see. This is the USB charger for the phone. You can make a clamp here. So it's strongly and overload. This charger, the capacity is for lithium acid battery 60 volt. We can also make it as 48 volt, 72 volt, and 24 volt. It all depends on your scooter and motor working voltage. The output amperes depends on the charger and the battery. If this output amperes more bigger, the battery full charge time will be less. How to say? Just like you have a power, inject your swimming pool of waters. When the tube is bigger, the water can be injected very quickly. When the tube is small, the water can inject for a long time. It's more amperes more bigger. The battery can charge more less time. But normally, if you drive your scooter, not too often, you can charge it when you sleep at night. Normally, your scooter will be full charge at about 3 days. Let's make a calculate. If your scooter is 60 volt, this charger is 60 amperes. We can calculate the charging time. Charging time is about 10 hours. When your scooter is 48 voltage, this charging is 6 amperes. The charging time will be 8 hours. But this means also the battery is from 0 point to 100 point. But normally you need to charge your scooter when the battery is 30% or 40% power left. This can make your scooter battery have a long lifetime. We normally suggest you to charge your battery when the battery power is 20% to 40%. But it all depends on your needs. This is a battery power left. This battery power you could read from your scooter meters. You will see the battery power left. Also, you can calculate when you drive this scooter for some distance. Normally, the scooter driving distance range is 30 kilometers to 90 kilometers range. Okay, now this we calculate the charging time. If you want to have a fast charger, you need to have a big power. The charging output voltage, we can make it as at least is 2 ampere. It's very small. 2 ampere output, 4 amperes, 6 amperes, and 8 amperes. Maximum 10 amperes. If you use the amperes output more bigger, the charging time more less. But you need also to know when the battery have more bigger charging more bigger output amperes, the battery life more short, because battery life, it all depends on the battery life. So if you don't know which kind of the output amperes of the charger, you could contact with us or send us email or go to our website Huicar or University Car. We can send us email or WhatsApp us in the bottom. Click the bottom, WhatsApp us to talking about this to get this charger. If this if this output amperes more bigger, the charging time will be less. But on the other hand, the battery recycling life and lifetime will be less for some times. which kind of battery should I choose? Here we will give you a suggestion. If your battery is 60 volt, 48 amperes or 60 amperes, we suggest the charger 5 amperes to 6 amperes, a maximum of 8 amperes. This is reasonable and good for the battery life. You could copy this.